Hi, I'm Srijata Bhatnagar, and in today's video we are going to talk about what is a speaking niche. If you are a speaker, trainer or coach and you belong to this industry, I'm sure you have your favorite speakers that you idolize, follow and always get inspired from them. Why do you follow them? What do you like about them? What are they known for? For example, what is Simon Sinek known for? What is Tony Robbins known for? What is Gary Vee known for? I'm sure you're thinking about 1, 2 or maximum 3 things that they are known for. And that is what is their speaking niche. When your fans, your followers know you by a particular subject and they can talk about you, you come in their mind every time that topic comes forward. That is what is a speaking niche. Do you have a speaking niche? If not, let me know in the comments. I am creating a course called Speaking Niche Mastery Series, which will solve this problem, which will not only help you find your speaking niche, but also will help you nurture it. And I would love to share the details of it with you. Will you let me know? See you in the next video. Srijata Bhatnagar here.